How to order online shopping in Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So start by launching your Instagram application. Get logged into your Instagram account and search for any companies in Instagram that allows online shopping. Here you will see shop online at and you will also see link. Tap onto it. Let's go ahead and tap on products that are on sale. Now here, choose any product. You can also search for the product that you would like to purchase. Let's go ahead with this one. By swiping onto your left, you can also see the details of the products that you will be purchasing. Scroll below, select your size, then tap on Buy Now, or if you would like to purchase more, tap on Add to Cart. For now, let's go ahead and tap on Buy Now. For that, you need to get logged into your account for this company. Type in your email address, password, tap onto login. Once done, you will get directed onto the checkout point. There you have to enter your payment method and your details. Then you will be able to purchase and do online shopping through Instagram. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.